Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 3 for me, 4 for you guys. So hey guys, happy Vlogmas. Today is Wednesday. We've made it halfway through the week. Hump day. And I cannot wait for the weekend because we are getting this situated, fixed. So if my nail girl happens to watch my videos, which she probably doesn't, but I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. But I'm just the type of person that goes this long in between fills mainly because expensive. That's why. Expecting to have all of our kids today because we had a snowstorm the last 2 days. That's gonna be fun. Okay, not gonna be fun. You get through it. As a teacher, you get through it. I'm trying to like sneakily vlog without showing anything and also without anyone coming in here. But I am in the staff room right now and where I sit until 7:30. So I've got like 20 more minutes to just sit in here and be before I go upstairs and then the party begins. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it is like 5 o'clock now. I got out of work. You don't need to put that on, it's fine. I don't want to get you in trouble either, so it's fine.
How are you gonna get me in trouble?
Cops. Hi guys, it's 5 o'clock. I got out of work at 4:30 like normal. We just stopped at my mom's so I can pick up a package because I don't think I've talked about it in the vlog before, but I've been having issues with Target when they send me stuff when I buy things, because a couple times I bought a couple items and they never came to me, or I think I talked about it in a video, I don't remember. I ordered a few things in the past and they never got to me, or they said they were delivered to some random like grocery store in Hartford and like all this crap, so I ended up returning it and then having them resend it out to my mom's instead. So for the most part, I do like all my Target orders, I like to get them sent to my mom's because it's just easier, and with a few other places I do that too still. But for the most part, I do get all my packages and stuff, but I don't know why. Like, it's just with Target specifically. I don't know. David's here. You can't see him. You can't really see me, but it's fine. I'm wearing my blue light glasses, as you can see. And we are getting some Taco Bell because it's Wednesday. David's off of work, and we were gonna get food, go home, relax. I might start wrapping some Christmas presents that I got.
Any of them on mine I want to see?
No, there's none of them that are yours yet, to be honest. And I still have to order a couple more things this weekend anyways. I got some Dunkin'. I got a peppermint mocha iced coffee, which I actually really like. Didn't think I would. Girl gave me a too big of a straw, which I hate this.
Oh, it's not too big.
Does anyone else hate this? No, like for your coffee, it's perfectly fine. But for mine, it's like, I hate this. It's like, it's not right. Big. It bothers me. I don't like it. You know what, David? Too bad you. Oh, it's not.
Be lucky this is going online.
And I also wanted to say thank you guys, or one of you, I forgot your name, I'm sorry, that left a comment on my first Vlogmas vlog where I asked you guys what do you think David and I should do for our 10-year anniversary, because like I said, I wanted to go somewhere for like a weekend or something, but I don't know what to do because we like to do things. Like, we like to go to the beach and we like to go to Maine and all this, and we don't really do winter things. Whoever, I'm gonna put your name here because I suck. I'm so sorry. Said that we should maybe go to Vermont and go to the Ben & Jerry's factory, which I thought was kind of cool. And then there was another suggestion. Oh, it was the Vermont teddy bear factory, I think, which I thought was cool too. So I don't know. I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna look into a couple other things as well because I definitely want to take like a little mini vacation with my baby. I've realized when I was editing, I actually today edited the Christmas Day vlog you guys just saw yesterday. That was from last year, which I never posted. And I have to say, I don't want to vlog like that. Like, I was just listening to myself and I was like, oh my God, Sam, you like are annoying. I'm trying to keep the vlogs kind of short-ish this year. I don't want to keep babbling on. So, holy, we almost just like died.
We didn't.
We almost died.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
Dramatic.
No, we didn't. But today my kids were absolutely terrible. Like, I don't know like what's in the water. I don't know if it's because we just had like 2 days where basically like snow days at work, but I was still at work kind of thing. You guys get what I mean? Monday there was a lot of delays. Yesterday we had a snow day, or a lot of schools did. My little ring light's really bright. I'm gonna try and like adjust this right now. whatever, it's as good as we're gonna get. But hey guys, so here's part of the vlog. It was really unintentional, but since it's Vlogmas, I figured I would just do like a raw unboxing. And we're back in my bedroom, but we're on David's side just because it's easier to be over here. I don't feel like going in the beauty room. It's a mess in there right now. I don't feel like doing it. I don't feel like dealing with it. Maybe I'll vlog myself cleaning it because I do plan on cleaning the beauty room this weekend. I wanted to share that I got my winter FabFitFun box, and it is different this time because I actually got some add-ons, which I never do, but they were having a sale on them like a month ago, I think, and a couple things I really felt like I needed because I've been wanting like new things, updated things of what I had for a while, and it was like the perfect opportunity. So with that being said, let's open this together and see what's inside. And as always, I am an affiliate with FabFitFun. Like trendy. So if you guys want to sign up through my link, you get your first box for only $40, which you guys already know what FabFitFun is. I feel like I don't need to explain what it is because I say what it is every time, but anyways, I'm so excited. So these are some of the add-ons. So I'm gonna show you guys these first. The first thing is this laptop case, which is so pretty. You guys can kind of see the pattern in there. It's like marbled and it's like purple and really pretty. Thank you. But it's really, really pretty, and I'm really, really excited about it because I've been wanting a new laptop case. My laptop case is from like 8 years old, so I figured it's time to get a new one. Then the next add-on item in here is this really pretty, which is falling out the packaging, this little, so basically it's this Wanderlust & Co. little infinity sign necklace, which is really, really pretty, and it's in silver because I love infinity, and I had an infinity necklace and it either got ruined or broke, I can't remember. The last thing that's in here, I ended up getting another one of these. You guys know I got this in one of my FabFitFun boxes. If you've watched my unboxings, if you don't, then obviously you wouldn't know. Nelson J Beverly Hills, I didn't know there was a J in it, so I'm sorry for like butchering that. Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask, which I feel like this has been the best for my blonde hair. Like I was using this last year and I was obsessed with it, and it was on sale like half off, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it, as it's an argan oil 7 formula that delivers a combination of multi benefits, including so I absolutely love this. Is one of my favorite hair products I've ever used in my entire life. So if you need something, if you have frizzy hair, damaged hair like I do, this is really good if you want to spend the money, because I think normally this is like $14-15, and wow, hello, my hair. We're gonna do something with this hair tonight, by the way. Like I can't anymore. I think this is normally around like, oh, I don't know. I think it's like 15 bucks normally though. All right, now on to the good stuff. That's all my add-ons that I got this time, which again, I normally don't do that, but this is what our FabFitFun box looks like for winter. I'm so excited because, as I keep saying in this whole Vlogmas, I'm very excited for Christmas this year and the holidays and everything. I just feel like in a better mindset and everything, so that's a benefit. And I do have scissors this time. I'm notorious in my unboxings for opening things with things that you shouldn't open boxes with. It really hits my heart because I don't know if most of you guys know that my grandma on my mom's side, she does have Alzheimer's, and she's had it since I was like 12, so about 15 years she's had it now, which is crazy. Like she's outlived like what she was supposed to live, which is crazy. And I really like that this box is partnering with that charity movement. It says Women's Alzheimer's Movement, so that means a lot to me. I'm really happy about that. So as usual, we get the little magazine that tells you what's in there. 15 off your first box. Oh, this is like a little voucher. Ooh, I think I'm gonna give this to one of my friends for Christmas because I love this box and it's like one of my favorite things of life. Oh, we have a $90 gift card from HelloFresh, which I always mean to use and I always forget about it and it always expires. So hopefully this time I do that. I'm so excited for this box. Like really, really excited. So the first thing in here that I actually ended up picking as like some of my items was this Bluetooth shower speaker, because I am someone that loves to watch my YouTube videos while I'm in the shower. I know that's like weird, but it's a thing that I've been doing for a while now. I'll just have my Mac on the sink while I'm watching like videos or something like that, and I'll just listen to it while I'm in the shower. And obviously you can answer phone calls with this, you can listen to music, you can listen to whatever you want, which I think is amazing. So I'm really excited about that, and I think it's this really pretty little floral pattern as well. That's what the speaker looks like right there, which is really, really pretty. The box, what did I tell you, Gooby? The next thing in here is a necklace. This is from Adore, which is available at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom. And ooh, so this is like real fancy, like the crystals from Swara. Swarovski Stack and Sparkle. Door signature organic circle bracelet is beautifully crafted with an asymmetrical shape featuring rose gold plating and a Swarovski crystal, which I can see the crystal in there. So that is what the necklace looks like. It's really, really pretty. Jewelry, I really love dainty jewelry like this too when I do wear jewelry, because I'm just very picky and I don't like to wear a lot of things that feel heavy, because then I get annoyed and I just take everything off. Same with when I feel like my hair is really frizzy, like when it's natural like this, like I don't like it because it just gets really frizzy and crazy, and then I just end up putting my hair up anyway, so it defeats the purpose of doing my hair. Yeah, I don't know, that's just me. I'm very weird with my hair. The next thing in here, which is from Hava, which I feel like I have something from them already. This is a Dead Sea Salt natural, that sounds really sad, natural Dead Sea bath salts, which in skin friendly minerals. Oh, cool. So basically we have some bath salts. Insert jokes here, but I'm actually really excited because I do like to take baths now. I haven't taken one in a while. I do like to take baths, and I love using stuff like this to help me relax, especially for a long day being with my kids, and if they're having a really rough day, then it's a rough day for me, and vice versa. So teach your life. But basically I'm really excited to try these out. I still have like a pack of these, I think, from another FabFitFun I still haven't used yet, so we're gonna have to break into these. Okay, my OG subbies, like, you guys know when I was preaching the out of this. This is the makeup eraser. You guys remember when I had makeup eraser like all the time? Like all the time. So in here we have the original makeup eraser, which I like their updated packaging. It's not clear like it used to be, but this thing is so good at taking off your makeup. Like, I'm obsessed. But I heard that if you like put micellar water on it, it works even better, which is what I love to use to take off my makeup. So I'm really happy we're gonna go down memory lane and use a makeup eraser. I'm really excited about this. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited. Vegetarian. This is a vegetable. This is vegetarian and vegan friendly, environmentally friendly, couldn't read that, cruelty free, EU approved, and hypoallergenic dermatologist tested, which is really, really nice. If you want a natural way to take off your makeup, this is really, really good by itself. So really excited. Alrighty, so the next thing in here we have is a Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Ooh, I'm very excited about this. I think this is probably gonna be for my kitchen or my bathroom, to be honest, but it looks really pretty in there, and I really like the blue. I don't know if you guys are gonna see the blue in there. Really, really pretty. Really excited. This is like calming, relaxing. Again, more things that I'm just all about. Calming, relaxing, yes. Oh my god. Okay. T. I love Beauty Bakery, but I have yet to buy anything from her, because I just never, I don't know, it's never like in the front of my mind when I go to Ulta or anything. Guys, there's a Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, like, this is amazing. Holy moly. Does this smell like anything? I wonder. And this is, yeah, the Proof is in the Pudding. The pudding. Look at this packaging, you guys. Like, it's so gorgeous. Holy shit, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, look at these colors. So perfect and pretty. I love the packaging. It's like little bananas. Oh my god, I love it. Why am I expecting it to smell like pudding? Because it's like pudding. It's not. We have rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, butterscotch, spiced caramel, mango pudding, almond jelly, warm cocoa, and nana pudding. Aw, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. That's awesome at Beauty Bakeries and FabFitFun. Oh my goodness. Excuse me, ma'am. So this is happening. 2 more items to get through in here before Gooby like completely loses her marbles. Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. Now, I don't think I have anything stockpiled from Drybar, but I've heard a lot about it, and I heard that's really, really good. So I think this was one of the items that I chose. I'm really excited to try it out because, as you guys obviously can see, my hair is bleached, and to brush it out before I wash it is such a pain. So I'm really, really excited to try this out. Again, this is what it looks like. And the last item in here, which I'm shocked I didn't pick out first, this is, yes, I'm slowly starting to get sick, you guys, for like the first time though this season. I didn't get sick really all fall, which is nice, but anyway, so the last thing in here is this big fluffy fur blanket, and I'm a huge blanket person. Gooby obviously loves blankets because bought a blanket and she completely took it over, and she's, yeah, so oh my goodness, I gotta open this. Gooby, you gotta open this. It's gonna feel nice. I wanna cut it though. Opens blanket but cuts the blanket. Me. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faw. No animals were harmed in the making of this faw, and it's a proud supporter of the Humane Society. This is called Unhide for Love Not Fur. Oh, that's cute. So basically this is a faw fur blanket. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my god, this is so nice. Gooby, we got a new blankie. What do you think? Scooby, what do you think? Do you like it? Are you gonna take this one over too? It's just me. Smell. See? This is mama. It's mommy. I know. No biting. No. 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 Good girl. Oh, you saw that. That's what she does. She's rude. Anyways, she gets herself all hyper and then she wants something to attack and then she just chooses it to be me, but that didn't really hurt. That's more of a play bite. That was everything that was in my winter FabFitFun box for 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the Vlogmas. I figured like, well, let's just not have like a professional that like, when am I ever professional? But like, I figured like, let's just include it in Vlogmas. I didn't really vlog much today anyways. Today was just a day. My kids were honestly like the worst thing ever. And I'm still really annoyed about it, but life goes on. Oh, I love you guys. And I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day. I don't know. 5? Okay. 6? Don't remember. I love you guys.